In this video we're going to come up with the equation of a straight line that passes through two particles. One particle here, one particle here, and the other particle here. So this particle here is moving vertically upwards, up and down, and this particle here moves across along y equals 2, and this one along x equals 5. So for example, you've got a particle here that moves up and down, that moves up and down, and then you've got another particle that moves horizontally, and no matter what, we're going to come up with the equation of a straight line that passes through those two particles. So the first step is, well, this is a straight line, so it's got to be of the form mx plus c, and our job is to work out the gradient and the intercept. So the gradient here would be from here to here, take away from here to here, so you take away this part. So the gradient would be the height divided by the across. Well, this height here is b take away 2, so the height would be b take away 2, and then you divide it by the across. What's this length here? Well, this length here is 5 take away 2. So this length here is actually 5 take away a. This length here is a. This length here is a. Sorry, my mistake. So let's start again. This length here, the horizontal component, is given by 5 take away a. 5 take away a. So that's your gradient there. So you can now put this into the m here. So this whole thing here would then become this. So this is our gradient here, and now we need to work out the intercept. So to work out the intercept, because the intercept is right here, but we don't know where this here is, so we need to work out this intercept. So to work out the intercept, we can select any point on the line. We can select this point, or we can select this point. It doesn't matter which point you select. Let's randomly choose this one here. So this is a x component, this is a y component. So let's put this into the x and put this into the y. So putting a into the x will then give you, putting the a into the x and putting the 2 into the y, that will then give us this. So when you put the 2 into the y, it will then give you this. When you put the a into the x, it gets multiplied to the top, because this is a fraction and this is a bubble here and this is a bubble here. So when you put the a into the x, it gets multiplied to the top. So it's really the bubble times a. So it's written like this. So it's just one thing times another thing. So now work out c. So at the moment you've got 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. So in your mind, take away this block from both sides. So the intercept is given by this. So now we can put this back into the c here. So this equation here will then become this. And then you just punch this whole thing into Desmos. So when you punch this whole thing into Desmos, it will then give you this straight line. Okay, so hang on, let me just show you this graph. So first you draw your vertical line, so x equals 5. Draw your horizontal line, which is this line here, so y equals 2. Add your particle, add the other particle, and then as you slide a and b, oops, sorry, hang on, y should be 2, where that? As you slide a and b, it will then give you this. Or you can just press play on both. So where there, hang on, let me zoom out. If you press play, it will do that. So A is sliding from -10 to 10, and then B is sliding from negative 10 to 10. If I press play on B, it will then give you this. Okay, so create this for yourself. Okay.